Most of us Muslims, we are normally aware of the importance of Ramadan and we prepare ourselves. And I remember when I was a kid, more than 30 years back, when I was in school, about 45 years back, we used to prepare ourselves for Ramadan, and we knew the importance of Ramadan, even of the last 10 nights of Ramadan. But we never heard about the importance of the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. Alhamdulillah, now since social media has started, this is being discussed by the speakers. My time when I was a kid, when I was in school, when I just entered college, we never heard the speaker speaking about the importance of 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. I remember the first time I heard was maybe about 15 years back in the social media. When we got involved in the field of dawah, more than 25, 30 years back, that's the time we came to know about the importance of the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. And it was about 15 years back that the first time I heard in the social media a speaker speaking about the importance of the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. And Alhamdulillah, year by year, it's increasing and more people are speaking about the importance of the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. That is the reason I thought I will dedicate the major portion of this session today to the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah.